What is an ASIN catch-all campaign in Amazon PPC and when should you use one? A catch-all campaign, not sure who named this catch-all campaign. Basically what you would do is you would allow either all products to be within one campaign. In this case, you would add your whole catalog within one campaign. Either you would allow all ad groups from auto campaigns like close match substitutes and also complements to run within the same campaign. Right now, if I'm thinking through this, because that's a really good question, catch all can also be considered if you would be running both exact match, broad match, phrase match at the same time. That would also be considered a catch-all campaign. Now, the idea with the catch-all campaign is that you're going to bring cheap sales. So whichever strategy would you be using, either you would be adding your whole catalog within one campaign, either you would be adding multiple targetings in auto-match, either you would be adding multiple targetings in a manual targeting. The end goal of the campaign is that it's going to generate cheap sales. If it's not generating cheap sales, technically it's not a catch-all campaign.